What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video. Um, so as you guys can see, it's different. It looks like a different room now. This is not the hotel that I was in last time. I finally left that place, and this is my new room. So as you can see, it's not that much stuff in here. It's pretty empty because I don't have my household goods here yet. My setup, my two monitor. They are actually arriving tomorrow, so I am pretty excited to finally get all my stuff here. So yeah, it's gonna be all empty right now, but tomorrow it's gonna be all cluttered, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of stuff here. But as you can see, I'll just give you guys like a quick tour. So I have nowhere to put that right now, so I'm just putting them here. I think this is called humidifier. It helps a lot, especially when my room gets too hot. My my throat gets like so dry and like itchy, and I would start coughing and stuff. But I don't need to tell you guys that because it sounds weird. And yeah, I haven't been editing or uploading videos because I don't know, I just couldn't really get into it because of my laptop that is not good enough for editing. Because for me to render a clip, I have to wait for it because this is the one I've been using. It's my old well, yeah, it's pretty old MacBook. It still runs, but when it comes to editing, yeah, it's really slow. And yeah, I mean, it's still good for like web browsing and everything, but as for editing videos to continue this vlog, I had no choice but to um, get a new laptop and upgrade. So this is the new one right here with GTX 2060. It's not GTX, guys, it's RTX. My bad. And Core i7. It is can you guys see that? 10750H. This thing can go to like 5 gigahertz, which is insane. Like, and it is 6 core, 12 threads. It's pretty good. Can't wait to travel and use that to like edit and stuff. But I'm gonna make a separate video with the specs and like how it performs and everything. So look out for that. If you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading that very soon. And I'll give you guys like a short room tour of my room. It's a little bit messy. So my jacket, my uniform, 25th ID, that was my previous unit. My new patch is that right there. How come it's not focusing? There you go. My mask. Yeah, that's all I got right now. But tomorrow everything's gonna be there, and I'll show you guys the common area. So this is the common area. It's pretty empty, like I said. The trash in the corner, my little snacks. I tried not to eat snacks and all that, but my metabolism is pretty fast, so I have no choice but to eat something, here and there. And I bought myself another coffee maker. It's amazing. It actually have this type of stuff. So basically, I lift this up, put it in here, close it, and put the size, like 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8, 10, and 12, and type of temperature. And you can actually set the strength of the coffee. Can you guys even see that? Yeah, there you go, the strength. If you want it really strong, which I do, so. And yeah, that's what I have so far. The fridge is literally empty. That's all I got. My creamer, my salad. I'm gonna gotta eat healthy. And we got like a janitor's closet here. Yeah, so that's what we have. We gotta make sure that our room is pretty clean and not a mess. And this is our bathroom. What I meant by ours is like I have a roommate here. That's his room right now, but he's barely here anyway, so I'm okay with that. So, yep, was good. I don't know why, but it keeps focusing on the there you go, the mirror instead of me. I mean, yeah, I can't help. I guess I had no choice. And bathroom, toilet, and all that stuff. So, yeah. But yeah, room is pretty. It's really not bad. I can show you guys the window. I mean, the window, my view. I think it's still snowing outside. Let's see. Yep, it was snowing. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's still pouring outside. Hopefully it won't be too bad tomorrow, because like I said, my stuff is coming and I don't want them to cancel and reschedule everything, because I already told my company that I have household goods today, and I don't want them to like think that, you know, I'm making things up. So but yeah guys, this is just a short update. I'm gonna upload more videos since I can finally edit some videos without any hiccups or, you know, compromise. So yeah, I'll be uploading more. So, and I'll show you guys around in Alaska. I still gotta get used to the weather and driving around the snow, because yeah, it's really new to me. I mean, I live in Chicago for over 10 years, but over here, it's really different because it goes below zero and everything, and there's so many ice. So, but yeah. All right, guys. I will end the video here. I will see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.